Hi friends, today I am going to explain Cyber Touch 5th class first lesson, Computer. Our first chapter is Evolution of Computers. Every aspect of our life in this present era is influenced by computers. The widest spread use of computers has made them indispensable at almost every workplace. Computers are used extensively in banks, hospitals, media and entertainment, offices, factories, schools, homes, space technology and research, railways, airports, and so on. The term computer has been derived from the word compute, which means to calculate, but a computer is not limited to performing only calculations. A computer is a versatile device that can handle different applications at the same time. Do you know how a computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Let us glance through the major milestones in the June journey leading to the evolution of present day computer. History of computers. The need to keep a track of the numbers led to the invention of different calculating devices. Right from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented leading to the development of computers. Means we can keep a track of numbers that lead to invention of different calculating devices. But the first counting device is abacus. Calculating devices. 3000 BC abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device invented for doing calculations. It was developed in China. Means the first mechanical calculator is abacus. They invented abacus in China. It was made up of a wooden frame consisting of rods, each having beads in them. Means it made with wood. It has rods. Some rods. Those are called beads. The frame was divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Means in the abacus, it divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod had two beads and each rod in earth had 5 beads. Means in each rod, in heaven, each rod has 2 beads, and in earth it has 5 beads. See, here they gave you picture. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Means it is used for, means we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now open next page. Now this is Pascaline adding machine. Blaise Pascaline, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 year in the year 1642. Means Basil one French mathematician. He invented in his 19th age in the year 1642. Means olden. So much far. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Means it has. See, here they gave pictures. It has gears, wheels, and dials. The number were displayed by rotating the wheels. Means when we rotate these wheels, the number will come. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. Means it will do only addition and subtraction. The Gier principle was future employed in many mechanical calculators. A taximeter is a perfect example of mechanical calculator. Means the Gier principle was in future. He employed in many mechanical calculators. A taximeter is a perfect example for the mechanical calculator. Now this is Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, invented a machine device called Leibniz calculator in 1671. It was an improvisational on Pascaline machine. Means Leibniz is a famous German mathematician invented it in 1671. It was improvisation on Pascaline machine. A part for performing addition and subtraction. Means it can do addition and subtraction. The Leibniz calculator could even do multiplication, division, and find the square roots. Means it can find the multiplication, division, and it can also find square roots. See, this is an Leibniz calculator. Now we will go to inventors. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computing. Means Charles Babbage. He is a British mathematician. He is the father of computer. He invented a working model of the mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Children, this is an analytical engine. He invented two models of machines. One is difference engine, means he invented in 1822, and analytical engine in 1833. These units worked much like the modern computer. The mill was the calculating device. The store was where data was held. Means it has 4 units. The mill was the calculating device. Means it will calculate. The store device is it will store the data. The reader and the printer were the input and output devices. Means it will read that and it will print in output and input devices. All the computers used nowadays are based on the concept. Means now we are using computers now. It is based on the concept. Lady Ostagon had Lovelace. Lady Ostagon had Lovelace was the English mathematician and writer chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage's article engine. Miss Lady Ostagon Ardell Lawrence was an English mathematician and she is a writer of English. Means she is chiefly known her work on Charles Babbage. He invented article engine for that. She is considered as the first programmer who suggested the use of brainy data storage in the form of 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. Means she suggested the brainy data storage from the 0 and 1 from the decimal point. Means instead of using decimal point. Okay children, from 9th page I'll explain in next video.